Hello project managers. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can join Microsoft 365 developer program and then Power Apps developer plan. With these tools, you can easily create your bespoke project management applications, automate your tasks, create chatbots, and analyze your data, all tailored to your project needs. Let's dive in and unleash the potential of citizen development. To join the Microsoft 365 developer program, simply go to aka.ms/m365 dev program and hit enter. Here is a Microsoft 365 developer program homepage, and you will need to sign in. Sign in with your personal Microsoft account. If you don't have one, don't worry, you can easily click create one and you can set up a Microsoft account for yourself. I'll just enter my email address. Click next. Enter my password and sign in. Now you can see this is the logged in user, basically me. Before we click join now, let's scroll down a little bit, see the benefits of Microsoft 365 developer program. By joining this program, you will get access to E5 Instance Sandbox, and that includes all Office 365 applications for your Power Platform development, whatever you need, including different components such as Power Apps, Power Automate, Copilot Studio, and so on, advanced analytics with Power BI, and so on. This is the high-level information about the benefits, and I highly recommend you take advantage of this free program. Then let's scroll up and click join now. On the Microsoft 365 developer program sign up page, let's complete the following fields in the online form. So select your country. I live in the US and I will choose United States. Company, I don't have one and I will just put my cat's name and I'll keep English. Then you need to click accept the terms and conditions, and optionally, if you want to receive emails from Microsoft, you can also click this checkbox. Then click next. Here is you just need to specify what's the primary focus of your developer activity. I will put personal projects and click next. And what areas of Microsoft 365 development are you interested in? I will select Power Platform and Copilot. Then click I'm not a robot and click save. Okay, now we are ready to set up our Microsoft 365 E5 Sandbox. We have two options here. The first option is Instance Sandbox. That means this is pre-provisioned sandbox environment with sample data. On the other hand, configurable sandbox, it's not pre-provisioned and you need to configure this sandbox. I usually recommend choosing Instance Sandbox. That's what I'm going to do and click next. And here you can set your admin username as well as password. I'll do right now. Repeat. And then click continue. Here we will need to provide a valid phone number and then send the code. Once we receive the code, we will need to enter the code and then choose setup. Once we click next, it will take us to Microsoft 365 Developer Program dashboard. After the subscription is created, your subscription domain name, you can see here, and expiration date appear on your profile page. So you can see also type of the subscription we have, and this is your admin account. Make sure that you copy your admin account as well as your password and save it. Moving forward, when we use Power Apps, Power Automate, we will need to sign in with our admin account. Your subscription is good for 90 days and is renewable based on valid developer activity. If you are using your subscription for development, it will be renewed regularly. On your profile, choose Go to Subscription and sign in with your newly created admin account. As you can see, I'm using my newly created admin account here. Great, sign in. You might need Microsoft Authenticator app. Yes, and here we are. If you go to Microsoft 365, these are all applications we can see that we can leverage for development purposes. And if you click explore all your apps and click all apps, this will show you the list of applications that are available for you. And you see here nice admin icon. As I said, you are the admin for this subscription. And if you click here, you can see your users. As I mentioned, we have sample data included here, and you can see active users. These are all sample data, and you can see, you can also find your own name here. So back to Microsoft 365. So Power Apps, Power Pages, Power Automate, and so many other applications included here, and it's free. So far we have completed Microsoft 365 developer program sign up, and we set up our Microsoft 365 E5 subscription. The next step will be creating Power Apps developer plan. The Power Apps developer plan gives you a free development environment to build and test with Power Apps, Power Automate, and Microsoft Dataverse. One of the benefits of joining Microsoft Power Apps developer plan, it gives you access to premium capabilities such as Dataverse. To sign up for Power Apps developer plan, simply go to your web browser and type Power Apps developer plan and scroll down a little bit and choose this option, Power Apps developer plan Microsoft. And once you are here, click Get Started Free. I will add my admin account here. Click Next. I already signed up for Power Apps developer plan, so that's why it says looks like you're already a Microsoft customer. So your case will be entering your phone number again and click sign in. Basically, I skip the create your account because I already have, and the confirmation details, you already have license for Microsoft Power Apps or developer, and then get started. Here we are. We are in Power Apps homepage. If you click logged in user, you will see this is the admin account that I use. From here, we can get access to not only Power Apps, but other Power Platform components such as Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agents, and so on. Notice a banner here saying this is a developer environment and not meant for production use. As I mentioned before, this is for only development purposes. This is not for deployment purposes. And another thing here, once you are here, make sure that you are in the right environment. Since I have already joined Power Apps developer plan before, I have multiple environments here, but usually have two environments. The first one starts with Microsoft default, and the second one is starting with your name. So always choose the one that starts with your name instead of Microsoft default. That's it. You have now set up your Microsoft 365 developer sandbox and joined Power Apps developer plan. Remember, this sandbox is a powerful tool for developing and testing your solutions, and it's renewable based on your development activity. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.